Hi everyone, today we are going to use the Noodlematic plaster and noodle maker to make ramen. We are following the instruction from the given booklet to make ramen. And the ingredients including eggs, 80 ml, water 30 ml, bread flour 200 grams, salt half teaspoon, olive oil 1 teaspoon. Now we add the flour to the rear apartment of the maker. Okay. 200 grams of flour. And then half teaspoon of salt. And then we can close the cover and then start kneading. And after 30 seconds, we are going to add water and egg. We're going to add 330 ml of water and 80 ml of egg. And then we're going to add 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Now we wait for the dough to be formed.